Fasten the necessary solder in the filler holder. Clean and degrease the place of soldering. Put on gloves and goggles. Evenly warm the area to be soldered to a temperature which is higher than the melting point of solder, but lower than the melting point of details. Prepare the area being soldered with the necessary flux. Begin soldering at such rate that only solder is melting against the heated joint. Completely fill all voids with solder. If during work the torch accidentally quits, press and gently release the start button repeatedly within 5 seconds to restore. Be sure the voltage stays around 170 volts. After soldering, do not cool the metal too quickly. Allow the material to cool in the air. When work is completed, turn off torch by pressing the off button on power unit. Cool torch by placing it in 3 to 5 centimeters of water. After hissing has stopped, take out the torch. When finished, clean off the remaining flux.